the fuck was that?
Five minutes later.
Jake! Get your ass in here now! You motherfucker! Jake! I'm telling you, I'm gonna beat the living hell out of you! God damn you! Put that shit on and no damn fucking well I can't get it off my fucking TV! Get your ass in here now! Can't even take a fucking nap around here or nothing else. That he's all time of doing something. Well, I'm gonna show him how to do something. This damn time I'm gonna find me something. And I'm... Jake!
What?
I'm gonna beat the motherfucking hell out of you. Put that goddamn shit on my damn TV. And I'm trying to sleep. Can't even fucking sleep around here.
What?
Fucking dick. I'll beat the living hell out of you.
What are you even
I
talking?
don't listen to that shit and I don't watch that fucking shit. So you keep your fucking ass out of my room.
Granny, I have not a clue on what you're talking
I'll
about.
put a fucking lock on my fucking door.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Get in here and you can hear the flapping jack-off sounds.
Granny, I don't even hear anything.
Yeah, you probably turned it off, you motherfucker. You know how to do it without coming in the fucking room. You know how to get shit going.
Granny,
I'm telling you right...
Granny, I love you, but you're going senile. Oh!
Get out of the fucking room. I'll beat his fucking brains out.
You've lost it.
I'll-
You lost your mind.
I'll beat the hell out of you. You open that door, you motherfucker. You open that door and I'm gonna crack you with a handle. I ain't gonna hit you with the other end. I'm gonna hit you with a fucking handle. I'm gonna lay that damn big noggin of yours wide open. So don't you dare stick your head in this motherfucking room.
20 minutes later.
Oh! Fuck no! Jay! Get your damn ass in here! Jay! Jay! Oh, fuck no! Oh, hell! Oh, fuck! Oh, hell no! Shit, no! Jay! Get your fucking ass in here! Get in here!
What?
Look at that shit on my TV you got on my fucking TV.
What is this?
It was girls eating shit! Kissing and eating shit like ice cream. I'm sitting here gagging my fucking ass off. You get that shit off and you get it off now!
I don't even see anything on your TV. Quit it!
Get the
Ouch!
fucker out. Get in here and get it off! Fucking eating shit ice cream combs. Oh, motherfucker. And then, oh, they're sick. Oh, God, they're sick. Stupid fucking bitches. Woo, there's something wrong with them. Eating shit like a popsicle. Oh, fuck. Look at that turd on that. Oh, my God. Shit. Sick.
What's wrong with you?
I can't put that fucking shit. I can't get that damn image out of my head. I still see them on there eating that shit. Get it off the fucking TV.
It is off your TV. What are you on about?
You keep doing that now, damn shit. You keep doing it, and keep doing it. And one of these days, I'll beat the fuck all out of you.
I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not even hearing anything. Maybe the house is haunted or something.
I'm putting a fucking lock on my door, and I'll show you how fucking haunted it is. Your ass won't be coming in here putting shit on my TV.
You need a hug. Give me a hug. You need a hug. Where? Ouch!